Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can design a professional looking thumbnail just using your mobile phone. So guys, if you had seen the video that I uploaded just today, you can see the thumbnail of this video, how to earn money from by just playing PUBG. So the thumbnail was made in the mobile phone. So I'll just show you how you can do just that. So make sure you watch this video completely. This is Adnaan Ahmed from Technoxity. You are watching Technoxity. Let's roll the intro. So alright guys, we are back onto the mobile screen here. So now first of all, let's head on to the application that we are going to use. You have to just download this application Fonto from Play Store. I'll just show you by opening Play Store. Just open the Play Store application and then just search for Fonto, and you will find this one red color one. I'll leave the link in the description so you don't have to search it, and you can just directly click the link and just download the application. So now first of all, you need a background. That's a normal photograph that you need to edit. So I'll show you two types of editing. That's one is like using a photo and the other is keeping just a background. So let's do this now. So first of all, you will need to add a photo. So click on this gallery kind of option on the top right side and you will get three options: images, plain images, and project. So we'll click on images and it will open up the storage. So here we have to click on the image which you want to use, and then click on Fonto. I just edited this one. So this is the edit that I did maybe just a few minutes ago. So let me just show you another image. Click on images, not WhatsApp, images, camera, and then this was the image. I'll just compare this photo and just show you what all edits I have done with the same image. As you guys can see, I will just reduce it so that you can just see what the edits are. So as you guys can see, the photo was just this much and I just added a text. This application helps you add cool text so that your image looks punchy. So first of all, you need to edit the photographs in some other application like Photoshop, PixArt, or even using Snapseed, and then you should come up onto this device for adding text. You can add different varieties of text. There are a lot of fonts available. You can also download custom fonts and save it in my font section. I have not installed any of those, so there are no fonts here. So on clicking on fonts, you can just see how cool the fonts are. This BB Rick is my favorite one, and the Blackout, all the three, Midnight, Sunrise, and 2 AM, all of them are really good. And there are a lot of fonts, you can use all of them. So now let's just edit one photo and let me just show you. So first of all, let's close this application and reopen. Discard the image and then add the image. Click on image and then add this up. And now we'll have to add a text like just let's add subscribe to Technoxity. Subscribe, and then click on font and change the font. I just want to change the font so that it looks like a button more. So I'll add that rectangular border one. That's black 2 AM, Blackout 2 AM. Let me add that. Sorry, that's done. Then click on done, and then now we have to, it's time to adjust the style. Click on style, and now the color option here tells you about the color of the text. So let me make it red because the box is having color in this. Let me make that red, and then let's place this and check whether it looks good. So it's kind of good, but then it needs more detail. So let's go back and add a stroke, that's outline, and you can have this much or even more. You can even increase the detailing by just increasing the width of the stroke, and now it will look more thicker. So you can just place it on somewhere that has a white background and it will clearly look a subscribe button. So that's first thing there. Then now let's add more text. Click on add text and then add subscribe. Let me just add Technoxity, TCNXTY. If you guys have seen the actual logo of Technoxity, it has a white color, and a black outline. So let's just do that, make it white, and then add a stroke that's black, and size should be normal because it will look good with what it is. So this is how you do that. You can also change the font and check out other details. There is also this thing font for the icons. So let's just go down, and there are icons fonts. You can just use a YouTube logo, here it is, or otherwise you can use this one. Click on done, and then add it here. Then again go to style section, add the color, change the stroke, and now this will look professional. So this is how you do that. You can add this here, you can place this here, you can reduce the size of Technoxity or change the font and use this one, and then just place it and reduce the size to just fit in there. So you do that, your work will be done. And then you can just add details like that, and you can make your own custom thumbnail. So this was the main thing. So now let me just try by using plain images if we find some. Yeah, there are images. So let's make it a colored one. Let's pick the color. I want a background with maybe light blue shade. This one will do. No, this one is good. So click apply, click save, and then go back. Oh shit, where is the image? I've never used the plain images section. Let's use one. Use. Okay, now it's there. So I need to change the color. So let's do that again. Click on plain image. Click on this one. Click on color. Oh, yeah. Select the color from here, whichever background you would like. My channel goes with well with blue, so I'll add blue. And then just blue. Then click save, then apply, then use. So it will come up here. Then you can just add even your, you can also add your images onto this one. You open this one, then load new image, go to images. Oh, I don't have the logo in my phone, so I'll just place this one on it and just show you. Okay, it's just loading up new images. Discard the image. Let's just place something, and let me just show you how that's done, guys. I'll just place this, click apply, click use, and then it will be on the screen. Then you can just use a text, like you can place the YouTube logo and add Technoxity, right? So let's go back to the font section and select the logos, and then now go down and select the YouTube logo, then click on done and add that and change the style, add a stroke, black color. It will look more professional, guys. Just that. Add that, and then get it to the center and increase the size a little bit. This much will do, and then add text again, that is your channel name. Then I am just teaching you how you guys can do that. You can make a lot of things from this. Click on style, make it white, and then add a stroke. It will just make it look professional, and then place it here. And you can also design your custom wallpaper, so that when you record your screen, you can just show off the channel name and the YouTube URL or something like that, and you can just do that professionally. So this is how you design a custom thumbnail that looks really professional, guys. I mean, just look at this image. I'll just show you the image. On Fondo. Just look at this image. How cool is it? How to earn money playing PUBG. All of them have different colors, all of them have strokes, all of them have a cool looking size. So make sure you adjust the sizes so that your image looks good. So this is how it's done. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then like this video, share it with your friends. Guys, I need more 40 subscribers to reach 2k. Hope you guys will do that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
don't hate